Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Solarez is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any surfer looking to keep their board in top condition, offering a quick and reliable solution for those inevitable dings and cracks that can sideline you from catching the next perfect wave. This innovative repair kit is designed for ease of use, allowing you to perform professional quality fixes right at home or even at the beach, ensuring your surfboard remains seaworthy and ready for action with minimal downtime. Its versatility and effectiveness make it a must-have for every surfer's toolkit. Number 5. Solarez UV Cure Epoxy Ding Resin. This is a complete repair kit. It comes with everything you need for quick surface preparation and a smooth finish. There's no mixing required with this product. Its ready-to-use formula cures instantly under UV light for a full, hard cure every time. It offers superior strength with a fully cross-linked finish. This provides exceptional durability and impact resistance. This formula is crystal clear and eco-friendly. It's non-yellowing, has zero VOCs, and is safe for indoor use. Enjoy a tack-free finish. It cures completely dry with no sticky residue, unlike many other UV cure resins. What we like. This option provides a comprehensive solution for your ding repairs, including everything you need for preparation and finishing. It cures instantly under UV light with no sticky residue. If you're looking for a hassle-free, all-in-one kit that guarantees a durable and tack-free finish, this is the one for you. What people say. This stuff is amazing for ding repair. It cures in direct sunlight and is ready to sand in minutes. The Solarez epoxy resin is very easy to use and dries hard. It's perfect for quick repairs on surfboards. Number 4. Solarez Epoxy Weenie Travel Kit. Introducing the Solarez Epoxy Weenie Travel Kit, your ultimate solution for quick and easy ding repairs on the go. This all-in-one kit is designed for convenience and effectiveness. Inside this compact capsule, you'll find everything you need: 0.5 ounces of Solarez Epoxy Ding Repair, a 6240 grit sand pad, a spreader, and an acetone prep pad. No mixing is required, making repairs hassle-free. Our advanced UV curing technology ensures a complete and rapid hardening process. This means you can get back to your activities without long waiting times. Experience repairs that are remarkably tough and resilient, providing complete cross-linking for a durable finish. It's designed to withstand the elements and keep your gear in top condition. Formulated with urethanes, it resists yellowing over time, maintaining the aesthetic integrity of your repairs. Enjoy a clean, lasting fix that looks great. Unlike other UV cure resins, this product cures exceptionally dry, avoiding any tacky residue. You'll achieve a smooth, hard finish every time. What we like. This is a remarkably tough and resilient repair solution designed for portability. It cures completely dry and is housed in a crush-proof capsule. If you're a surfer who travels frequently and needs a reliable, compact repair kit that won't leak or get damaged, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a great product for ding repair. It is easy to use and dries quickly. The repair is strong and durable. Number 3. Solarez Artisan UV Cure Polyester Resin. Discover the Solarez Artisan, a revolutionary UV Cure Polyester Resin Kit. It includes everything you need for a perfect finish. Our proprietary formula is a clear, non-yellowing, high-strength polyester resin. It's reinforced with millions of fiberglass fibers for exceptional durability. The unique mixture ensures that the fiberglass fibers are thoroughly wet out and evenly dispersed. This guarantees consistent results with every application. Experience a bubble-free mixture that leads to denser cross-linking. Unlike other UV resins, it cures exceptionally dry, not tacky. Achieve a superior surface cure and a flawless finish with this advanced resin. It's designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This comprehensive kit also includes a 6240 grit sand pad. Get ready to create stunning, durable projects with ease. What we like. This product features a high-strength, fiber-reinforced polyester resin that ensures thorough wet-out and even dispersion. It offers a bubble-free mixture for denser cross-linking and a tack-free surface cure. If you prefer a polyester-based resin and need a strong, reliable repair with excellent fiber integration, this is the ideal option. What people say. This Solarez UV Cure Epoxy resin is a game-changer for surfboard ding repair. It cures incredibly fast under UV light, making repairs quick and efficient. The resin is easy to apply and sands down smoothly once cured, allowing for a professional-looking finish on your surfboard. It creates a strong and durable bond, effectively sealing dings and preventing further damage to the board. Number 2. Solarez Artisan UV Cure Polyester Resin. Introducing Solarez Artisan, a high-strength, fiber-reinforced polyester resin. It's designed for a crystal-clear, non-yellowing finish. This unique formula features a solar-activated catalyst for convenient curing. It ensures a thorough and even dispersion of reinforcing fibers. Our proprietary formula guarantees that millions of fiberglass fibers are perfectly wet out. This ensures a strong and consistent bond every time. Experience a bubble-free mixture for a smoother finish. It achieves denser cross-linking and superior surface cure. Unlike other UV cure resins, it cures exceptionally dry. This means no more tacky surfaces, just a clean, hard finish. This kit also includes a 6240 grit sanding pad. It's everything you need for a perfect finish. What we like. This option utilizes a high-strength, fiber-reinforced polyester resin, ensuring excellent wet-out and dispersion for a robust repair. It cures to a bubble-free, densely cross-linked, and tack-free surface. If you're seeking a polyester resin that provides superior strength and a clean finish, especially for fiberglass repairs, this is a great pick. What people say. This stuff is amazing, it cures in minutes under sunlight and is very durable. It's easy to use and mixes well with the hardener. The repair looks seamless and holds up great. I used it to fix a ding on my board and it worked perfectly. It sands down nicely and takes paint well. Number 1. Solarez Artisan Fiberfill and Microlite Putty Repair Kit. Introducing the Solarez Artisan Fiberfill and Microlite Putty Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for quick and effective repairs. It includes both Fiberfill and Microlite Putty, a 6240 grit sand pad, a spreader, and an alcohol prep pad. All conveniently packaged in a crush-proof, watertight travel capsule. Get back to your activities in just 5 to 10 minutes. This product is designed for speed and ease of use, so you can spend less time repairing and more time enjoying. Trust in the original. Solarez is the pioneer in UV Cure surfboard products, offering reliable and innovative solutions for your gear. We are committed to eco-friendly practices and proud to say our products are made right here in the USA. Choose quality and sustainability with Solarez. What we like. This kit is designed for incredibly fast repairs, getting you back in the water in 5 to 10 minutes. It includes both Fiberfill and Microlite Putty for versatile ding repair, all in a durable travel capsule. If you need a quick fix for dings and prioritize speed and convenience, especially when on the go, this is the product for you. What people say. Solarez is a great product for fixing dings on surfboards. It dries quickly and is easy to use. The repair is durable and holds up well to surfing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.